All right. Number three, and a lot of y'all are not gonna like this, but losses. You have to accept that you have to take losses. It's inevitable. You're going to take losses. I I do a lot of sales calls and consultation for car rental business, and sometimes I'll get on the call and I ask the very first question, right? The very first probing question I ask people is, well, what do you want to achieve, right? If you want a mentorship, if you want if you want a course, what do you want to get out of it? Like, what are you trying to achieve? Most people don't know what they want to achieve. And if they do know, they don't have a number behind it. They're like, I want to quit my 9 to 5. Okay. You want it, and most people will say this. You want to quit your 9 to 5. How much money do you have to make to quit your 9 to 5? They don't know. I want to get rich. How much money do you have to make to feel rich? Because rich is different from everybody. For for me, I thought to get rich, I just need to make 30K a month. I made 30K a month and I didn't feel rich. Some people will be 100K. Some people will be 300K. So it's just the way it is. All right. And feel free to drop your questions in the comments too. I'll definitely we'll get to the Q&A at the end. I'm just gonna do my rambling. I have a couple more to get through, but I want you guys to understand that whatever goal you're trying to achieve, you're gonna have to take losses. Okay. 2025, I lost $20,000 buying bad cars. $20,000 buying bad cars. Okay. I would never have thought I could stomach a $20,000 loss, but I did. It happened, and that's just the way it is, right? That's the truth. That's the truth. Sometimes you're gonna lose money. There's no business where you only make money. It's impossible. Okay. The entire purpose of a business, right, is to make more money than you lose. The entire purpose of anything is to make more money than you lose. So just get ready, prepare yourself for the losses, because the losses will come. And when you lose, just understand it's just the part of the game. Okay, it's your price of trying to be successful. It's losses. You're gonna take losses. Number four, your environment is your standard. Okay, um, this one was a game changer for me in 2025 because, and I'll tell you guys this. A lot of you guys don't know this, but I pay for mentorship. I do. I pay for mentorship, and I don't pay for mentorship necessarily because uh I'm gonna learn something I don't know always. I usually learn something I don't know. That's usually happens. But the most value I get from mentorship is just being around other higher level entrepreneurs. Because before I started making content, right, I was never making content. And the reason why I wasn't making content was because I was around other people that don't make content. If you're around other people that don't have a business, that don't think like in terms of business, that's gonna be your standard. As soon as I got around other people that make content, where everybody's making content, if I'm not making content, I feel like the weird one. Now I'm the weird one for not making content. Okay? And it's the exact same thing if you're around family members, friends, right? Your old friends, whatever. If you start a business and you're still around your older people, they don't have a business. So you're gonna feel weird for having a business, even though technically you're trying to self-improve. But it completely flips when you're around everybody that has a business and you don't have a business. You're gonna feel left out for not having a business. It's a very simple thing, but once you understand that your environment is your standard, put yourself in better environments. That's it. And then number five, this is the last one, and then we'll get into Q&A. Make sure you drop your questions in the chat. I see we have one question from 5-star Princess 25. Um, I'll get to your question about the virtual assistant in just a second. Stack small wins, ladies and gentlemen. Stack small wins. Okay, you open your LLC, that's a win. You buy your first car, that's a win. Okay, you get your first rental on Turo, that's actually a win. Okay, what else? You I don't know. You start your own. You make content on TikTok, on Instagram, that's a win. Stack the small wins because that's what will build your confidence. Nobody wakes up one day from zero and is at 100. It has to go one, two, three, and it's always hardest from zero. Once you have momentum, everything just kind of compounds, and then the wins just roll over. All right, so that's my lessons for 2025.